Hello and welcome to Coding Specs. This channel is for all those who want to learn how to code, from absolute beginners to people with prior coding experience. Code is a special language that allows us to communicate information and give commands to your computer, mobile phone, smartwatch, and yes, even your car or smart appliance. So, if you enjoy coding already or want to learn more about it, you've come to the right place. This channel covers all you need to know about coding in Python, an easy to learn and widely used coding language. For those of you who have never coded before or who want to improve your skills, I will be releasing a series of short tutorial videos which will allow you to learn to code in Python in no time. For those of you out there who already have some coding experience and want to test your skills, I'll be releasing a series of coding challenges, for which I will also provide solution videos in case you need help. If you have specific questions you would like to ask, I will be organizing some Q&A sessions as well. So if you want to learn new coding skills in an easy and interactive way, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any upcoming videos.